What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an SMS chatbot with ManyChat. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and type in ManyChat. After that, you will be welcome to this homepage of ManyChat. If you are new to ManyChat, just simply sign in and then you will be welcome to this homepage. Now, after coming here, click on settings and then in the channels, click on SMS. Now click on connect and from here you can start your pro version for free with a trial, and after connecting your number and your email here, when it shows that your number and email are entered and corrected, then they will be connected. After that, click on automation and on your right side click on new automation. Then you can just select new trigger and you can connect to a channel and then start chatting, and you can add some steps. You can just start the automation from here and you can then make your own SMS chatbot of your own and with your own triggers and steps. So that is how you can create SMS chatbot with ManyChat. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.